and also which includes automatically the people who enter the state, and with all the drug peddlers entering the state. See, if the drug peddlers are not entering the state, where is the drug coming from? Therefore, this CCTV will help the authorities to know abnormal movement of people, abnormal movement of vehicles. There are so many advantages the government can have when you understand the importance of those small but very crucial interventions. They may look okay, something which is done usually, okay, you have this, but then you'll have to have a dedicated team to also monitor. You cannot just put CCTV and not monitor at all. You have to have preemptive measures, and you have to have immediate response team, and you have to have, any time when we are confronted by this kind of unfortunate incident, then we are able to immediately understand what exactly has led to this unfortunate incident, and then reassure and reinstill confidence, because you are talking about reinstilling confidence amongst the people outside the state. You are trying to paint the image of the state that, notwithstanding what has happened, look, we have been aware of the actual ground reality, and the resultant findings indicate this. So have confidence and faith in the overall capability of the law enforcing agencies of the state, and then people will automatically look at Meghalaya as, yes, it is safe and secure. But today, with this whole narrative, you are seeing how it is circulating across the nation. And this is not confining within India. It goes beyond, because you are integral part of the overall hospitality sector in the whole Northeast. So people who are coming, looking at Northeast as a destination, definitely put Meghalaya as one of the part of their whole package, of their whole Northeast package, in as far as their travel plans are concerned. So therefore, this perception which is being generated, how you ensure that any kind of negative perception can be dealt with effectively on time, and do not allow this whole narrative to go to that extent, whereby restoring the overall image, name and fame and reputation of the state as a safe destination. It cannot be just favored destination, it also has to be safe. Therefore, how we can really reinstill that sense of confidence